Have you had this breadless sandwich that's Puerto Rican inspired but actually originated in Chi-Town? It's called a Jibarito, and here's how you make it. This sandwich uses green plantains as the bread, so you want to start by peeling them, then you want to split it down the middle. You're going to fry these for about 2 minutes on each side, and you're going to remove it from oil and drain on paper towel. Now, the flexibility with this recipe is amazing because typically it's made with like steak, chicken, or pork, but we're going to be doing this completely vegan. I'm using mushrooms. So after I prep my mushrooms, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my plantains, and I'm going to smash them between two surfaces. You can do this between two cutting boards or even use a cast iron skillet. Add your flattened plantain back to the oil and cook for about a minute and a minute and a half, and be sure to drain. Next, you're going to go ahead and work on your meat substitutes. I like to add with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of adobo, some minced garlic. I add in some cumin, smoked paprika, a little bit of coriander, and a Mexican oregano. And because we need these flavors on the thighs, I'm going to add in some vegan chicken bouillon and some pre-made mojo, which I got all of these ingredients at Compare Foods. I allow that to cook for about 3 minutes, and then I start to work on my mayo. I use some minced garlic, ketchup, plant-based mayo, lime juice, a little bit of salt, and give that a nice mix around. Now I'm ready to assemble my sandwich. It is so easy to do. So you want to take your plantain, spread out your garlic mayo, add on your mushrooms, some plant-based cheese. Next, you're going to add in some lettuce. I like to add red onions, some cilantro, a little bit more adobo, and a little bit of avocado. And of course, you got to add some more of that delicious garlic mayo. Brush it with a little bit of garlic olive oil. And when I tell you, baby, this is going to be one of the best sandwiches you've ever had. Make sure you're following Chef Joey and Compare Foods for more vegan on the budget ideas. Ciao.